हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर वीडियो। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं टॉप 30 इम्पॉर्टेंट जीके क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स जो कि लक्ष्मीकांत के सेकंड चैप्टर मेकिंग ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से मैंने बनाए हैं। तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाली है अगर किसी भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हो जिसमें पॉलिटिकल साइंस इंक्लूडेड है। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। Question number 1. Who was the first person to put forward the idea of a Constituent Assembly for India in 1934? The correct answer is option A. M.N. Roy. Next question. Under which plan was the Constituent Assembly of India formulated? The correct answer is option B. Cabinet Mission Plan. Next question. What was the total strength of the Constituent Assembly as per the Cabinet Mission Plan? The correct answer is option B, 389. Next question. What was the population to seat ratio for the allocation of seats in the Constituent Assembly? The correct answer is option C, 1 seat per 10 lakh. Next question. The representatives of the princely states in the Constituent Assembly were. The correct answer is option D, nominated by the heads. Next question. On which date did the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly take place? The correct answer is option B, December 9, 1946. Next question. Who was appointed as the temporary president of the Constituent Assembly? The correct answer is option A, Dr. Sachindananda Sinha. Next question. The practice of electing the oldest member as the temporary president was inspired by which country? The correct answer is option D, France. Next question. Who was elected as the two vice presidents of the Constituent Assembly? The correct answer is option B, H.C. Mukherjee and V.T. Krishnamachari. Next question. When did Jawaharlal Nehru move the historic objective resolution in the Assembly? The correct answer is option D, December 13, 1946. Next question. What did the objective resolution transform into the final constitution? The correct answer is option D, preamble. Next question. Which act made the Constituent Assembly a fully sovereign body? The correct answer is option C, Indian Independence Act 1947. Next question. Who chaired the sessions of the Constituent Assembly when it met as a legislative body? The correct answer is option C, G.V. Mavalankar. Next question. On which date was the national flag of India adopted by the Constituent Assembly? The correct answer is option A, July 22, 1947. Next question. When did the Constituent Assembly ratify India's membership in the Commonwealth? The correct answer is option D, May 1949. Next question. Who was the chairman of the Union Powers Committee of the Constituent Assembly? The correct answer is option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. Which committee was chaired by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? The correct answer is option D, Provincial Constitutional Committee. Next question. Who is recognized as the chief architect of the Constitution of India? The correct answer is option B, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Next question. How many readings did the draft constitution undergo before being finalized? The correct answer is option A, 3. Next question. Which of the following is the date of enactment of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option A, November 26, 1949. Next question. Why was January 26 chosen as the date for the commencement of the Constitution? The correct answer is option A, Purna Swaraj Declaration. Next question. Who served as the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? The correct answer is option B, Sir B.N. Rao. Next question. Which Constitutional Amendment Act provided for an authoritative Hindi text of the Constitution? The correct answer is option C, 58th Amendment. Next question. Which article of the Constitution deals with the authoritative text in the Hindi language? The correct answer is option C, Article 394A. Next question. How many schedules were originally present in the Indian Constitution in 1949? The correct answer is option D, 8. Next question. Which schedule deals with the allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha Council of States? The correct answer is option A, 4th schedule. Next question. The anti-defection law is contained in which schedule of the Constitution? The correct answer is option D, 10th schedule. Next question. Which schedule lists the official languages recognized by the Constitution? The correct answer is option A, 8th schedule. Next question. The 11th and 12th schedules were added to the Constitution to deal with. The correct answer is option B, local self-government. Next question, the last and final question of this video. Who was the secretary to the Constituent Assembly? Please comment your answer, like this video and subscribe to the channel for watching the latest videos. Thank you for watching.